So let's complete this week's challenge. At the moment, we are only storing level of our NFTs. Why not store more? Substitute the current token ID levels array mapping with a structure that stores level, speed, strength, and life. So now let's see how we can do that. Let's create a struct called it character attributes, or more appropriate name will be character progress. Now inside it we need to add level, then we have speed, then we have strength, and last is life. I think this spelling is correct, just to make sure it. Now what we do here, inside the mapping we will going to take a value as a struct rather than joint. Now let's move on and let's see the first function, which is generate character. We need to add speed, strength, and life. Let's add speeds, then copy strengths, and then life. Okay, so we have added in SVG. I think we have to do some changes here. Let's move it up and add this also 40, 50, and 60. Now let's create a functions that we have defined here. Let's create a function level and life. Get speeds, get strength, get life. So here what we need to change here is we need to add dot level, that the struct character progress dot level, we will going to return it here. Now what is here, it's speed, just changes, sorry, just changes to speeds. Now we have dot strength, we have, then at the end we have dot life. Lives dot lives, and then yes, add s in the end. Okay, so we have created a function. Now what we need to change here, in the main function we are initializing the value with the 0, so let's change all 4 value to 0. level dot speed dot strength and dot life. So we have set them to 0. Now here we are setting up the current level. So let's change it also, and here dot level, increment it here. Just copy these lines. Now change it here to speed, then here need to change it with strength, and here change is to life. Okay, so here we need to change these variables also. This is level, then just change is to speed, then change is to strength, strength, and change is to life. Okay, great. So I think we have done changes. Now at the end, do one thing. I think we have to change this variable name. It's now look correct. We can change it token ID to character progress. Let's ID to character progress. So I have pressed Control D, select all. Now I think it's all changed. So now code looks correct. Now let's compile it to see. Okay, great. No errors, it's compiled successfully. Now let's deploy it on Mumbai network. Okay, so it's deployed successfully. Now also verify it, copy it, and just paste the contact address and press enter. Okay, so let's see. It's compiled and verified successfully. So here it is. Now we can see the code. Just match the contract address again. Yes, it's correct. So now let's perform the mint action. First connect to the wallet. So yes, we are connected now. Let's write it. Confirm it. So it's successfully minted. Let's see if it's on. Yes, it's now on OpenSea. Level, speed, strength, and life. Now let's train it. Okay. So here, just pass it 1 and write it. So let's see what magic will be done after that. Wait for the transaction to complete. That's completed successfully. Now let's refresh the page. Nothing done. Why is it so? Just refresh the metadata again. Let's refresh it again. No changes. Why? See the transaction. It's called successfully, but no value is updated. But why? Let's go back and just, yes, it takes us just, it takes some time, but it's now here. So we have level 1, speed 1, strength 1, and life 1. So great. We have completed that challenge also. So that's it for the week 3 of Alchemy Road to Web series. So let me know in the comments if you want to add anything in this series, or if you want me to create a new series of any other website that provide a tutorial of Web3. And also let me know about the format of this course or other courses on my channel, how we can improve it and how we can learn new things together. Thank you very much.